Sir Hendrik Silverio, alias Hex. Kano ka nakakatagal nagtatrabaho sa Alleviate Solutions?
Limang taon.
5 years? Makukulong ka, Hex.
Tutulungan ko kayo. Ibibigay ko sa inyo lahat ng nalalaman ko kapalit ng kalayaan ko.
Hindi ka nakikipag-deal dito.
Kailangan niyo ako. Alam ko ang bawat galaw nila. At kung wala ako, magpapaikot-ikot lang kayo.
You're actually considering it.
Hindi mo sinasabing mapayag ako.
Kitang-kita naman sa mga mukha mo na gusto mo. So what now? What's your plan? Gawin siyang asset? My God, Isa. You don't even know how big of a risk that is. Here's my thing. Kapag yan pumalya, kapag yan tumakas at pag nagkamali ka, please make sure na ikaw yung manalo.
At paano kung tama ako? Paano kung matulungan tayo ni Hex na malaman kung sino ang nasa likod ng sindikatong yan?
Well, then prove it without compromising the case. Because the moment na nag-depend ka sa kanya, you've already weakened your position. You know what, Isa? Don't let desperation dictate your strategy.
It's not desperation, it's adaptation.
Call it whatever you want, pero mali ka.
At kung ako ang tama?
Of course, tama ako. Because if I was in your position, I wouldn't put my name in jeopardy. But then that's me. And that's you. You're the chief. Ikaw magde-decide. And it's your funeral.
Tama ka dun. Ako nga mag-decide. And my decision is, we'll do a background check on Hex. Have a problem with that?